Hey everybody, it's Colorado Trailers. Wanted to show you guys another off-road trailer we have in stock. This is stock number 14083. This one is in a matte gray blackout package. Really good looking in person here. We also have the big expanded front box on the front, so great place for gas cans, firewood, a generator, whatever you guys want to put there. Extended tongue, side swivel jack, and a removable front coupler on this unit. This one also has all the exterior strip lights. So you have a LED strip light on all sides of the trailer for exterior light. Side door does come with a gutter, RV lock, and cam bar, so you've got double lock protection there. 3,500 pound axles. These are torsion axles, which gives you guys an independent suspension underneath the trailer. Will make it ride better, tow better, and give you guys some more ability to go off-road. Also, you have a 32-inch mud terrain tire with this unit. Windows as well. We'll take a peek at that. Drop-down stabilizer jacks in the rear. We've got this one down so you guys can check that out. Rear ramp door. It's an all diamond plate rear ramp door. Looks really cool. You also have another strip light there. And of course, LED strip tail lights. Give you guys a good view of this side. Then we're just going to go in the side door and take a quick peek here. This unit is insulated, so you've got insulated walls and ceiling. RV lock gives you guys this lock latch and a set of keys on the inside, which is a great feature. 6 foot interior height. Again, you've got insulated walls and ceiling. I'm going to try and get back far enough here you guys can see. You've got a couple windows. There's one here at the front. These aren't quite right across from each other, so if you guys need to do cabinets or anything like that in here and you want to make it into a camper, you've got some staggering in these windows, which is a good option. This one also has a vinyl wall and ceiling liner. You also have E-track recessed into each of the walls, so great tie-down points. Of course, our performance nudo floor and ramp. So great floor system to use. You also have 3 interior LED puck lights, so you're gonna have a ton of light in this little trailer. Here's all your switches. These 4-way switches individually control the outside lights, so you can control that, and then this one will turn on your puck lights. They also have toggle switches on them up here, so if you guys want to have one on or all of them, you have that option. You also have an overhead Maxx Air roof vent. This one has the bubble cover over it. You guys can see right there. This one's actually up, so you don't have to worry about water coming in. You also don't have to worry about ripping it off if you forget to close it. There's your rear ramp door shot. We're going to lose about 6 inches with the rear ramp door spring, so you'll have about a 5-6 rear door opening there, so plenty big for dirt bikes and quads and toys. Then we'll spin around here and show you guys. Here's all the E-track, and here's a view of the front of the trailer. This one has a 5,100 pound payload capacity as well, so you guys can pack a lot of toys in here, or again convert it into a camper, or do whatever you want to do. We are located in Castle Rock, Colorado. We do offer the largest selection of cargo trailers in the state. We are the exclusive dealer for the off-road trailers here. We had them designed and built for us. We're excited to be able to offer them to you guys. We have great shipping options available. I have an amazing transporter that will run for a great rate. So if you guys don't live near us, that's okay. We sell trailers and ship trailers all over the country all the time. So give us a call. We can help you guys with that. And as always, we would love to earn your business. We are family owned and operated, and you can reach us at 303-688-8485, or you can check us out online, coloradotrailersinc.com.